Àwúre pwe, opeli opele pwe. Àwúre pwe, opeli ope Shango. Àwúre pwe, opeli opele pwe. Àwúre pwe, opeli ope Shango. Àwúre pwe, opeli opele pwe. Àwúre pwe, opeli ope Shango. Àwúre pwe, opeli opele pwe. Àwúre pwe, opeli ope Shango. Àwúre pwe, opeli opele pwe. Àwúre pwe, opeli ope Shango. Àwúre pwe, opeli opele pwe. Àwúre pwe, opeli ope Shango.
Hi guys, I'm Oshun Femi and welcome to our fourth and final episode of our Àwúre series where we explore the sacred spiritual technologies of the Yoruba tradition that help us to achieve wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Before we begin, let us cover one more element for using and making these powerful medicines.
In Yoruba spirituality, each type of medicine aligns with a specific time of the day or night. In the morning to afternoon is the ideal time to prepare or use Àwúre, Eyonu, and Ashina medicines that focus on luck, fortune, and wealth building. These hours carry the energy of new beginnings and fresh opportunities. From 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. is the time for protection medicines. As the day transitions into night, it is the perfect period for shielding yourself from negative energies and ensuring safety. And then we have the time between 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. The late evening is when you focus on love and attraction medicines, such as Ife and Iferan. The stillness of the night deepens these energies. Then we have early mornings. Perform Asher work during the early hours of the day, when the sun's energy is rising, to activate and empower your spiritual intentions. And then we have midnight. Midnight is sacred for Imule, rituals that require deep spiritual grounding and connection to ancestral or divine energies.
As we all know, timing is everything in spiritual work, and knowing when to prepare and use certain medicines amplifies their effectiveness. Each time period holds specific vibrations, and when you align your work with these rhythms, the results are even more potent. Now that you understand the timing, let us explore the hierarchy of spiritual medicines: Àwúre, Oshole, Osho, and Oshogbona, and how they can transform your financial situation.
In the hierarchy of the Yoruba financial medicines, we have levels of potency. Àwúre at the foundational level, Oshole higher, Osho above that, and finally Oshogbona, which acts with extraordinary speed. Each serves its unique purpose, from steady financial growth to rapid manifestations. However, Àwúre is unique in its accessibility and lasting positive energy, unlike Oshole or Osho, which may require more intense rituals and spiritual commitments. Àwúre is a safe, long-lasting empowerment that transforms scarcity into abundance, failure into success, and stress into peace.
In difficult times, we often are pushed to reflect on our financial situation. Debt, job insecurity, business struggles. These are things that can weigh heavily on us. This is when Àwúre becomes essential. It brings positive vibrations into your life and acts as a magnet for wealth opportunities.
Whether you're an entrepreneur, a job seeker, or someone working to pay off debts, Àwúre aligns your spiritual energy with prosperity. It attracts success in business negotiations, job interviews, and even everyday interactions. For those running businesses, Àwúre can draw in customers, improve profit margins, and expand your capital base. Now let's prepare an Àwúre Ajé, a powerful financial medicine. You will need 8 cubes of fresh pork's meat, ewe Àwúre pwepwe, ewe imieshu, and oshedudu, traditional black soap. Pound the pork's meat in a mortar until smooth. Add the ewe Àwúre pwepwe and ewe imieshu, pounding them together with the meat. Mix in the oshedudu until the mixture becomes a clay-like paste. Use this soap to bathe from head to toe twice a week. With consistent use, you'll begin to experience the flow of wealth and opportunities. Cleansing your energy is vital for removing obstacles. A simple cleansing recipe involves miracle leaves, ewe abamoda, and bitter leaves, ewe ewuro. Squeeze the leaves in water and add Holy Michael perfume. Bathe with this mixture while reciting your prayers. It clears blockages and paves the way for blessings. And we can make an assaje for addressing financial challenges. If you're facing significant financial struggles, here's a powerful money drawer recipe. You will need a snail and ewe bomu bomu, Sodom apple, and atai josin, bell pepper. Remove a snail from its shell. Grind ewe bomu bomu and atai josin. Cook the snail with a ground mixture and shea butter and a pinch of salt. Eat this preparation after a prayer for financial breakthroughs. The effects are often visible within days. And we can make an akosher Àwúre to get a wife or husband. We need ewe ata, pepper leaf, shells of 6 eggs, and oshedudu. Pound the eggshells and leaves together, then mix it with the soap. Pound well until you get a clay-like consistency. The woman who wants a husband or the man who is looking for a wife should bathe frequently using this soap. And we can make an Àwúre ifera to attract someone at a party. You'll need ewe ewuro, bitter leaf, ori, shea butter, and oshedudu, African black soap. We pound everything well until a clay-like consistency is achieved, and bathe with it before going to the party. And we can make an Àwúre eyonu for quick money without suffering. You'll need sugar and ewe omisin, which is Aztec sweet herb. We cook the sugar with the dried herb until it turns into caramel, and we lick this syrup daily using our middle finger. And we can chant a verse of Ejogbe before we lick this syrup. And we can make an Àwúre ashina ogu to open anything that is closed or blocked. We use this ogun with questions like, you need to receive some kind of approval, paper, passport, license stamp, etc. Or someone owes you a lot of money and needs to pay it back to you. We use it with financial difficulties, or you have a shop and it's not attracting customers. You'll need 5 eggs, 5 pods of atare, 5 cowries, a banknote, and honey. We put the 5 eggs inside the earthenware pot, one by one, mentalizing and asking for all the things you need to open up. After that, add the 5 pods of atare and 5 cowries. Close the pot with the lid in reverse and put a big stone on top. Put it on the fire and wait until it is burnt completely. Be very careful, keep the lid on, because the eggs will explode. Every time an egg explodes, something blocking your path or progress is broken. After everything is burnt, grind it into a powder and take this ogun with honey. And we can make an ogun for Eshu and Yami for improvement in your life. This is a very strong ogun to improve anything in life when you've grown tired and feeling discouraged. You'll need 1 akoko leaf and 16 owerenjeje seeds. Put a leaf of akoko inside a flat mortar and put the 16 peonia seeds on top. Fold the leaf and with the help of a stone, pound the seeds with akoko leaves and add a small piece of oshedudu. Pound it until it becomes smooth. Early in the morning, prepare this oshe and use this soap that same day for 1 day. Put the small piece in your left hand and pray to the soap, asking Eshu and Yami to bless you and bring improvement. It works very fast, giving results the same day. Use this soap on a Monday.
So thank you for joining me on this journey through the spiritual technology of Àwúre. I hope these teachings inspire you to embrace prosperity with confidence and gratitude. Don't forget to share your experiences and your results within the community. Esheo, and may abundance flow into your life effortlessly.